Let's try to wrap this up. For number 14, the first thing you'll do is distribute. So I have 9x plus 63 equals 9x. You need to get the variable on one side, so you can subtract 9x from either side. I'll subtract it from this side. So you get 63 equals, now this is another special case that I wanted to show you. So 9x minus 9x will give you 0. When does 63 equal 0? Never, right? So the answer is no solution. So number 14 and number 12 up here were your two special cases. Okay? If a number equals the same number, it's all real numbers. If a number equals a number that's it's not equal to, then the answer will be no solution. Okay? Number 15. So I have negative 15x minus 45 equals 5 times negative 3x minus 9. So my first step is to distribute. So 5 times negative 3 will give me negative 15x, and 5 times negative 9 will give me negative 45, equals negative 15x minus 45. Alright, do you notice anything that's probably going to happen? Let's see. I'll get the variable by itself. I'll add 15x to both sides. So I get negative 45 equals negative 45. So the answer right here is all real numbers. So that's another example of a special case. I just want to make sure that y'all get that. Okay. Number 16. 15x minus 25 equals 8x plus 15. So you have a variable on both sides, so I'll need to get those together. What I want to do, what I like to do, and you don't have to do this, is always have a positive variable. So I'll subtract 8x instead of the 15 from both sides, so my variable stays positive. So I have 15x minus 8x is 7x minus 125 equals 15. And you can just solve that easy. So we add 125 to both sides. 15 plus 125 gives us 140 equals 7x. And of course we divide by 7 to get our answer. So x equals 20. Okay. A few more. So on your homework you had a few where you had to actually write it from and solve it. So let's write this. Negative 12 plus the quotient. So you should know that quotient means to divide. So we have the quotient of x and 8. So x over 8 is, that means equals, is means equals, so equals 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve that. The first thing I need to do is add 12 to both sides. Actually, I'm going to bring this up here so I have a little more room. Negative 12 plus x over 8 equals 0. So to get rid of this negative 12, I'll add 12. So I have x over 8 equals 12. And to get rid of division, you have to multiply. So I have x equals 12 times 8 is 96. Okay? Number 18, 33 less than. I want you to pay attention to less than. Less than is backwards. So you're not going to say 33 minus 4 times the number. It's actually going to be 4 times the number minus 33. So make note of that. This is the reason I put this in here. So we have 4 times the number. We'll just call that number x. Minus 33 is, and that's equals, negative 77. Okay, so we just solved that. Add 33 to both sides. So I have 4x equals negative 44. Opposite signs, so we subtracted and kept the sign of the larger number. Divide by 4. Of course, x is going to be equal to negative 44 divided by 4 gives us negative 11. Okay? Make sure you're keeping everything in line. And then you're keeping your equal signs. You're bringing down all your numbers. You're bringing down all your signs. That's a lot of trouble I've been seeing kids have, is they lose their sign or they lose a number, or just some little mistakes like that. Okay. For our final two, they give you the perimeter, they give you the number perimeter, and they want you to find x. And so what you have to know is how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, square, triangle, whatever. So for anything, all you have to do is add up all the sides. And so what I'll do is I'll add up. I know that this is x, and I know that this side is 3x minus 2. So what I'll do is just add all those up and make it equal to 28, because I know all those added up is equal to 28. Okay? So I have x plus 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2 equals 28. All those added up together equals 28. Okay? So all I have to do is combine like terms and solve, right? So I have x, 3x, 3x. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 gives us 8x. And then this negative 2 and that negative 2 together gives us negative 4 equals 28. And we just solve. So add 4, you get 32 equals 8x. Divide by 8, x equals 4. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Just add them all up, make it equal 29. So I have 9 plus x plus 8 equals 29. Put these two together, gives you 2x. Put these two together, gives you plus 17 equals 29. Solve for x, and we'll subtract 17. So I get 2x equals 12. Divide by 2. X equals 6. I hope this has helped y'all. Remember, keep everything in line. Remember your signs. Use your calculator. Okay? If you're unsure. Good luck.